My name is Jim Lesko. I'm an acupuncturist and corrective movement specialist in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today, I'm going to teach you some foot, ankle, leg, and hip exercises I've been tooling with in the clinic. And I've been specifically thinking about these for hockey players because of the way that the foot is in the boot and the different angles that you're using to push off on the blade and the type of balance that you need. I've been a hockey player my whole life. I wanted to come up with some exercises to help strengthen the intrinsic muscles of the foot, ankle, knees, legs, and hips. So here we go. So before we start, I just want to point out a couple pieces of equipment that we need for this. Simple foam pad, high density, and this is a Toe Pro. The reason I like using these two pieces of equipment for this exercise is the Toe Pro has a nice slant, which more or less, based on where you put your foot, we can replicate the balance you're going to need and the angles you're going to push off with on the skate blade. All right, so let's get started. First exercise we're going to try to get all of our toes, including our baby toe, onto the toe pro where it dips in. We're going to do a lateral reach. Very simply, we're going to put our knee over our toe, and we're going to use this back leg just for balance. All we're going to do is reach out laterally. The more advanced you get, the less weight you can put on your rear foot. Second exercise we're going to do, kind of in a skater lunge position. We're going to do the same exercise. The emphasis is just now going to be on our push-off foot if we're doing a stride. Foot is in relatively the same position. That way, as we push off, we can push our foot. Hands, for this one, our rear foot has the pressure, our right foot, and our right hand is going to reach across. For extra oomph, I want you to reach with both hands as far back as you can with the left hand. Gripping and pushing with all of your foot as you go. Our third is we're going to work on some stability. We're going to reach out to the side. We're going to load our knee over our toe, rib cage over our knee. My left hand is going to try to reach as far back as possible. My right hand is simply going to reach forward. Again, gripping and pushing with the toes. Fourth and final exercise in this short set. Or again, you're going to play off of our rear foot stability. All right, so if we're in stride, first time we reach this way. All right, now we're in stride. We're going to push the opposite way. All right, pushing through our toes, ending on our big toe, pushing out, stretching your left hand all the way to the right. Your right hand's going to go backward. All right, almost as if you're throwing a net. This is going to strengthen all the muscles in here, soleus, your gastrocs, peroneus muscles, and of course, your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, all the important muscles that you're going to need to excel on the ice. Thank you for watching.